Girl, you've no idea what you've got yourself into. Fly for a night and think the world's made for you. Well, I try too hard to see all of my work come undone, but it grows some wings real fast. See the way they look at you with tears in their eyes. Soon they'll start to dream up different lives. Well, I won't let you tempt them. They're mine to protect. No use reminding them of the past. You don't seem to quite understand what is at stake. This messed up little family that I had to make. If I could let them all go home, please know that I would, but it'd do more harm than good. So why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Swear it's nothing personal, it's necessary. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Some would say I'm quick to rage, and maybe they're right, but I can say for once I'm thinking clearly tonight. Wendy, darling, you have hit the wrong kind of fight. I will protect what is mine. A nasty little spark that must be smothered, snuffed out, setting fires inside my house is just not allowed. don't you fall. Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. Swear it's nothing personal, it's necessary. Why don't you fall? Fall, little Wendy bird, fall. You don't seem to quite understand what
Se tivesse asas para voar e a segunda estrela como guia, acharia um lugar onde ficam todas as estações, seja noite ou dia. Além da campina de verão, fica um mundo perdido. Um lugar gelado cheio de segredos. Um mundo
Pink, what have you done?
I did exactly what I had to. Cut the rod right out from the root. Now be happy that I saved you from yourselves. She had you fooled, don't you see? She was a mother, she was a thief, tempting you with all her stories. I took action, boy, what's done is done. So now you stand against us. Need I remind you just exactly who brought you all this way? You wanna leave, be my guest, but sweetheart, don't you forget we give gifts and take them away. Your home is here forever, whether through love or terror. That's a choice you make. I'll be held responsible now. I'll make you hate and fear me. You wanna leave, then kill me. Either way, I promise you'll never, never get out. So why don't you take go on now, take the shot. Oh, if you're man enough, why don't you take the shot? Boy, you act just how I raised you. All your clever plans are see-through. I'll let you stage your childish cue for now, but not I who run this game. See, come on, move on, like a picture after two sons. Anything isn't that your response? You're the one that raised you away. We own the suns and seasons, control the tides and breeze, and have to then convince you we're really thriving. The very air you breathe in, we are the gods of face and deity. Oh, it you should kneel, we should be loved and worshipped. By now I'd say we've earned it, but we hide and cower, hoping that you think we're here. A brand new world I'm seeing. Give us something to believe in, and finally we'll be reunited. So why don't you